Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play War Thunder on your browser. While War Thunder is traditionally a downloaded game, you can access it through cloud gaming services. These services stream the game to your web browser, letting you play without a powerful local PC. You'll need a strong internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or more, to ensure smooth, lag-free gameplay. This method opens up the game to many more players. To get started, you'll need to choose a reliable cloud gaming service. Platforms like NVIDIA GeForce Now and Boosteroid are excellent options that support War Thunder. Take some time to compare their subscription plans and ensure War Thunder is part of their game catalog. Also, consider the location of their servers. Closer servers generally mean less lag and a better overall gaming experience for you. Once you've selected a service, the next step is to set up your account. Create a new profile and subscribe to a plan that suits your needs. Some services might require you to link your existing War Thunder game account, so be prepared for that. After setup, simply navigate to the game library within the Cloud Services browser interface and launch War Thunder directly to begin playing. For the best possible experience, consider a few optimization tips. A wired Ethernet connection is always superior to Wi-Fi for stability and speed. Also, close any extra browser tabs or background applications that might consume bandwidth or system resources. Finally, experiment with War Thunder's in-game graphics settings. Lowering them slightly can significantly improve streaming smoothness without sacrificing too much visual fidelity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.